Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. New cup, new project. This is a commission piece. I am doing a cup for somebody whose favorite colors are, what did she say, aquas, turquoises, and beach blues in general. All the beachy blues. So I went through all of my different micas and I came up with a selection of 7 micas that I think fall into that general category. And I started off by taking a 20-ounce skinny. I sanded it, I washed it, and I did the tack-it method with a beautiful turquoise holographic glitter called Merquoise, M-E-R-Q-U-O-I-S-E. Obviously, mermaid and turquoise put together, Merquoise. So, I think we're on the right track with beachy blues. I am also going to use the following micas. From Crafter's Choice, I have Dolphin Blue, Azure Blue, and Turquoise Teal. And then from Woody's Goodies, I have Tahitian, which is fast becoming one of my favorite micas. This is In Hell, I'll Be in Good Company. This is a chameleon mica. It goes from blue to teal to green, so I think that falls in the right category. And this is another chameleon called Ironic, and this is blue to purple to orange, which doesn't sound like it fits, but I think it will. I think it will. We are not putting these 2 chameleons on a black background, so they won't give off their full color shifting effect, but that's okay. I just want to make sure I have lots of different beachy blues on here. I have 2 other cups I'm working on, so I'm going to mix up 100 milliliters of KS liquid stone resin. I'm going to split off about 5 milliliters into each of these 7 cups to go with my 7 micas. Mix a little bit into each of the cups of approximately 5 milliliters of resin. I'm going to do a Mica Swirl thing or a Mica drizzle thing on here. I'm not going to try and get full coverage because I want the Merquoise holographic. I want the Merquoise holographic glitter to show through underneath. But anyway, I'm going to, turn on the ventilation system and all that stuff. So I will mute and fast mow everything and sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Let's see how our beachy, turquoisey, tack-it glitter Mica Swirl cup turned out. Beautiful. I think this is gorgeous, and you can see the tack-it glitter in the underneath, no problem. I didn't get full coverage, which I was a little concerned about. Let's pop over here, more in the sunshine. Well, daylight, we don't have sunshine today. That out of the way. All right, here we are. Oh, that's beautiful. I tried to get a little extra movement going at the end. Did some tilting up and down. Gave it some heat a couple of times. I ended up with this humongous blob. And if you watched the whole thing of me putting the mica on, the last time I put on this particular light green, I was getting a little carried away with flinging the mica back and forth and ended up with a big fat blob of it right here. And short of wiping it off and probably making a bigger mess, I put some other colors and thin lines over it, but you can still, that's probably where I'll put the decal, is what I'm trying to say. There is a decal, I will probably put it right there. I think the rest of it looks gorgeous. Hopefully she'll think so too. Now, granted, these are purple. This is that one chameleon that had orange and purple in it as well as blue, I think. And it is light blue in some angles. And then in other angles, I don't know if you can see it as well as I can. Again, not sure about the camera picking it up, but it does shine purple, which is definitely not a turquoise blue. However, I don't think it's horrible looking at all. I like it. I actually like how the whole thing turned out. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully she will too. We'll find out. So I'm not going to take this out in the sunshine today and show you the final reveal that way because there is no sunshine today. This is pretty much it, what we got here. Very cloudy day. I think you get the effect. I think this turned out absolutely stunning. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm not going to bother showing you the decal at the end because that kind of sort of identifies the person, and I'm not entirely comfortable doing that. So that's it. There's going to be a decal. It's going to go over the blobby part. And yeah, there is a beautiful, beautiful beachy turquoisey blues tumbler. Looks kind of like, you know, waves in the ocean, sorta. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.